Hello, my amazing people. You are welcome to my channel. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be showing you how I made this wine color popping bob wig. Oh, this wig is, can you see how it's bouncing? It's so beautiful. Just stay tuned and I will put you guys through. Here is the expression I'll be using. I cut the extension into four and I used expression. Okay, I will leave the link on how to prepare your extension before using it to make a wig. And here is the wig cap I'll be using. I'll be turning it upside down, okay, because I will be sewing in the closure, what I will use to make the closure, the net for the closure. Yeah, I'll be sewing it in, then I will turn it the other way around, okay? Now I'll be taking a tiny piece of the expression and I will crochet it today. Wig cap, that is basically what I'll be doing. And when I get to the front, I will show you guys how I was able to achieve a beautiful closure for this wig. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so, okay? And share my video, okay? Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about the wig. And I will see you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm done crocheting the expression. You can see it's already beautiful, but I will go ahead and trim off the excess. Okay, watching the length I want the bob to be. Okay, that is basically what I'll be doing. I've got hot water and I'll be adding some conditioner. Okay, and I will state to make sure the conditioner mixed well with the water, and then I'll place the wig in the water. Okay. And once you bring it out from the water, just start brushing it out to avoid tangling. Okay, you just brush it out with the water. As the water, there's still water in the wig. Okay, you just keep brushing it out, try to stretch it out so that the wig doesn't tangle, okay, when it's dry. Okay, that is basically what I did. I did that and I left the wig overnight. Yes, I allowed it to dry with natural air. And the next day, this is what the head looks like. It's all dried, trying to comb it out with my comb. And I will go ahead to stretch it out, okay, with hot iron. But the iron is not really hot. It's on a very, very low heat, with a low heat. And when I get to the tips, I will try to use the hot iron to curve the tips. Okay, remember this is not hot. The iron is not really hot. I'm using the very low heat. Okay, don't use the heat as on a high heat. Don't stretch it out on a high heat. Okay, just on a low heat, and it will give it that shiny look. Okay, it will give it that shiny look. Okay, be careful, don't use high heat so that you don't burn it. Okay, at this point actually I was using a high heat, okay, because to get the angle of the iron to get hot a little bit so that I can press down the upper part of the wig. Yeah, that is basically what I did. And I trimmed it again. Okay, that is why I'm stretching it the second time. Okay, and to give it that curve look of a bob wig. This wig is so beautiful. Okay, if you like what you see on this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share our video. Okay, thank you so much. This wig is so beautiful. We are getting to the final products. Ladies, you guys should try this out. Okay, it's just €3. Yes, I bought the extension for €3. You can just get your beautiful popping wig, from the comfort of your home. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Can you guys see the wig? This is the final look and I'm loving it. Okay, I'm loving this wig. It's so beautiful. I love the color. And this color, it can fit anyone. Yeah, I love this color and I love the wig. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, let your light so shine that men will see and give glory to God. Don't forget to subscribe.